In Google Earth Pro, when we move our globe to left, right, or rotate, it changes the direction. You will see it here. The north direction is changing. We can reset it using moving this north, but using this technique is difficult. You can click this N button once and it will reset the map or globe to the north. Now if we zoom to a location, with the middle mouse button we can change the tilt. Now if we click this north button, it will align the map to the north, but fixing tilt is difficult using the middle mouse button because you cannot fix it clearly. But there is one option we can do it easily. Just go to view and reset. You can reset the tilt or compass. If you reset the compass, the map or globe will be turned to the north, and if you reset the tilt, you can see the top 90-degree view, and also you can reset both. Let's click on this tilt and compass button. Now our map is totally aligned to the north. You can see this, and also this is the top view. The tilt is reset. But there is also a shortcut. If we change the tilt and compass, just press R button on your keyboard. It will reset to the north and also reset the tilt. Thanks for watching.